Hello everyone. So today's video is going to be just a little bit different. I got a surprise in the mail from a friend of mine, and it is my new webcam. Yay! Make sure there's no glare on that. The image is mirrored. But it's the LogiTech C920. Super excited to get rid of my piece of garbage webcam and try this one out. So I've waited all day. I'm gonna open this real quick. Okay, so we got our setup guide. If this will focus. Not so much. That's okay. The setup guide is to plug the USB into the USB port. That's the setup. Other useless paperwork. What fell down here? Trash. That's what fell. So they got this in here pretty decent. Okay, so here it is. Got all the fun little paper stuff on it. Nice lengthy USB here. It's all still taped up. So I guess, really, the best thing for me to do after I get this plastic off, because you all are probably tired of just looking at a webcam, but I'm gonna get this set up and I'll see you in a second, hopefully in a lot better quality. And I'm back. So this looks so much better. I'm really excited to start working with this. Thank you, Cody. It's really awesome. I was going to test out the mics. It has two mics, one on each side of the camera, but OBS is being kind of finicky with my audio right now. This is actually like the fourth time I've had to record this because of audio issues. That's okay. Still really excited about the webcam and the better video quality. So let me know what y'all think. Thank you for watching. Like I said, this is the LogiTech C920, and yeah, I think that's about it for this one. So hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.